Okay, so this is a little install we've got going on today. So we've got Range Rover Sport L494. He's got the basic 8-speaker system. Customers come to us and he's asked us for a bit of an upgrade. So what we've got here is the premium 16-speaker Meridian system. You can see there it says premium 16. We've got the upgraded door mid-bass speakers. We've got the mid-range speakers, which are missing entirely from this trim level of car. We've got all the tweaks here to go with it. It's quite a big install. We'll give you an update once we're done.
I do the same thing. I told you that I'll never.
Right, so that's the stock speaker, so that's what came out of the car. These are the large ones, exact same size as the ones going into the car now. So it's basically pretty much a straight swap after you've got that amplifier. There you go. Old, new. So what? That's the new amplifier.
That's the new one, yeah.
Yep. And then that's the old one there. And that's it there. Under the seat. Sweet.